The gripping ITV detective drama aired its first episode on Sunday night. With a 2-hour debut on screens, the series comes from Val McDermid's popular book, which was originally set in the 1970s and 2000s. But the ITV adaptation has been updated to the 1990s and 2022s. Despite an in-depth introduction to the story, which delves into a historic murder case, some viewers struggled to take in the plot as they complained of sound issues on the show, with some claiming they couldn't hear a word. A promising run-up to the drama meant plenty of viewers were tuned in to catch the first episode. Leading the cast is Outlander actress Lauren Lyle, who famously played Marcely Fraser, as well as peaceful protester Jayden Toniuk from BBC's Vigil. She has taken on the titular role of Karen Pirie, a young and fearless Scottish investigator with a quick mouth and tenacious desire for the truth. However, just minutes into the opening episode, viewers expressed some disappointment. Twitter user @HapWilliamSteck wrote, "Can't tell if they're mumbling or it's just the way they recorded the sound. Weird. #KarenPirie. @PitaBread15 echoed this, writing, "Poor muffled sound spoiling what looks like a good show." #KarenPirie. @JacksMum asked, "Why is the sound on these dramas always so bad?" #KarenPirie. "I haven't understood a word so far." #KarenPirie. @Linda277744658 boasted. Alan_Northbucks remarked, #KarenPirie not a good start. Can hardly understand a word. Sound quality is awful. @ITV. @WelshJC tweeted, "Can't understand a word. #KarenPirie @ITV. @Paisley000 added, "Have volume turned up high on @ITV new drama." #KarenPirie. The sound quality is so poor. Others didn't seem to notice an issue though, with @DenRowley26011 being among those to applaud the episode, stating, "Never bother with much telly but enjoying this #KarenPirie adaptation so far." For those who were able to enjoy the first episode, it's likely they will have been further gripped by its explosive ending. With a cliffhanger involving the death of one of the key characters, many people watching were left stunned. The series will consist of 2 further episodes, with a new installment released each week. The final episode will be broadcast on Sunday, October 9th, in the same time slot. However, viewers will also be able to watch before the air date on ITV Hub. Now that the first episode has made its debut, the 3-episode box set will be released on the streamer. Following the 2-hour opening episodes, the next 2 installments are slightly shorter, around an hour and 30 minutes each. Talking about starring in the upcoming series, Lauren Lyle said, "I am completely overjoyed to be bringing the formidable force that is KarenPirie to life through Emmer Kenny's slick adaptation. The world Emmer Kenny, writer, has created using the backbone of Val McDermid's much-loved books is electrifying and hooked me immediately. I couldn't ask for a more creative, supportive and energetic team to be joining. I'm so thankful to Val, Emmer, World Productions and ITV for welcoming me wholeheartedly on board." KarenPirie continues on Sunday at 8 p.m. on ITV.